So hopefully this will be a short one. I'll be showing a 15 by 100 and 12 by 142 adapter to your 9mm QR. But first, why do you might want to get this? Well, if you happen to score a really good second-hand wheel set for a cheap price, but your frame and fork is only for 9mm QR. And so the first one we have here is for the front. It's a 15 by 100 to QR adapter in red, and I'll be showing you its dimensions. And in terms of length, it's around 199.9. It's basically 100. Okay, it's 100 millimeters. And in terms of the longest end of the QR, it's 111. And for the outside diameter that will interface with the fork, it's around 9 millimeters. And for the diameter that will interface with the hub is around 15 millimeters. The second one we have here is for the rear, designed for 12 by 142. It has the same looks as the one for the front. And for its dimensions, and the overall length is 153.4 millimeters. The part that will sit inside the hub is 141.4 millimeters. The diameter that will interface with the frame is 9 millimeters, and the diameter that will the portion of the adapter that will sit inside the hub is 11.9 millimeters. And what we have here are rubber O-rings to help minimize any play between the adapters and the hubs. And here's a closer look of the adapter that I will be using on my front hub. And here's my front wheel. It came from a 2016 Giant Rain 27.5. I will only be using the front adapter as I have already converted my frame to a 12 by 142. Fitting the adapter is a simple task. All you need to do is to push the adapter through the hub, and you don't need to use a lot of force to push it in, just to make sure that you put it straight and it doesn't catch. And the only thing left to do is to put back the wheel and to make sure that the rotor doesn't rub.